The first pattern is called Bullish two soldiers, which is a bullish reversal pattern. The main characteristic of the bullish two soldiers is that the candles are isolated by one gap before and one gap after the pattern. The two soldiers in reference to the two candles that form the pattern are two bullish candles that have a small body. The logical interpretation of this pattern is that the two isolated bullish candles imply the beginning of an uptrend. In fact, whenever you hear the word soldier in the context of candlesticks, you can associate it with a bullish quality. The bullish two soldiers appear when price is going down in order to signal a reversal to the upside. Pay attention to the fact that both candles that form the pattern are isolated by one gap down before the first candle and one gap up after the second candle. The next pattern is called Bearish two crows, which is the mirror image of the bullish two soldiers. The Bearish two crows pattern is formed by two isolated and small bearish candles. They imply the beginning of a downward movement given the position of being isolated by one gap before and one gap after the pattern. The Bearish two crows pattern appears when price is going up in order to signal a reversal to the downside. Pay close attention to the fact that there is one gap up before the first candle and one gap down after the second candle. Even though the pattern is theoretically formed by two candles, it's only with the candle after the two crows that we can make sure the two crows are in fact isolated by gaps on either side. Crows are usually associated with death, so the appearance of the bearish two crows represent the death of the uptrend, which implies the birth of the downtrend. Let's move on now to the complex reversal patterns that are formed by three candles. I have a ton of free content on my YouTube channel. You can find some basic information and some advanced stuff as well. If you like the material I produce, please consider if you like button, subscribing to the channel, activating the notifications button, sharing the video, and leaving your feedback below in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next videos. Take care.